Yes, this is Asif. Okay, I have brought an interesting questions related to circle, right angle and a square. Okay, so here see the question. A circle with radius 2 is placed against a right angle. Another smaller circle is also placed as shown in the adjoining figure. Okay, so what is the radius of the smallest circle? Have a look. Here the radius of this bigger circle is given 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Here is also 2 centimeter, here is also 2 centimeter. So guys, the given radius of this circle is 2 centimeter. Here is 2 centimeter, here is 2 centimeter. Have a look. This is the radius, and there is a point of contact, and there is a tangent. So the relation between the point of contact with this tangent becomes 90 degree. Here 90 degree because tangent by tangent theorems. Here is also 90 degree because this is the tangent and there is a radius. So at the terminal point it makes a 90 degree. That means radius और tangent के बीच 90 degree का angle बनता है. हम लोग tangent theorem में पढ़ चुके हैं. This is also radius होगा because this is the radius of the circle 2 centimeter. So have a look at OABC becomes a square. So here OABC is a square and OB is diagonal. Here OB is diagonal. And what about the diagonal of a square is? Diagonal of a square is from formula diagonal of square root 2 into side. So side is here 2 centimeter. So square 2 into square root 2. This is the diagonal. Now next, suppose let radius of the smaller circle. Radius of the smallest circle, say R. Okay. Now OB. This is the OB is the diagonal of this square. So OB can be written as OB is equal to OP. Here is the OP plus this is R plus this is this is diameter. Sorry, this is diagonal. Look at this is diagonal of this small square. Have a look. There is a small square. Okay. This becomes a diagonal. This becomes a diagonal, and this diagonal is equal to square root 2 into side. Side say R. Here is R. Because the side of this square is a radius of this smaller circle. So OB can be written as OP plus R into plus square root 2 into R. So this OB becomes 2 root 2 is equal to OP 2 because radius of the bigger circle plus R common square root 2 plus 1. Now दो इधर आ जाएगा रूट स्क्वायर रूट 2 माइनस R और कॉमन लेकर बाहर निकाल सकते हैं स्क्वायर रूट 2 प्लस 1. ओके, सो इन सच वे R इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट 2 माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई स्क्वायर रूट 2 प्लस 1. नाउ रेशनलाइज डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर को जब रेशनलाइज कीजिएगा तो नेगेटिव साइन लेकर ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. ठीक है, 2 माइनस इतना दिस इज होल. ओके, now that means we multiply, it becomes 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 becomes this. Okay, now 2 minus 1 because a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, square root 2 square means 2 or minus 1 square 1. So 2 minus 1 becomes 1 is written as a denominator. So this becomes 2 multiplied by this becomes 6 minus 4 square root 2. This is answer this question. Okay, thanks a lot.